buy this stuff?
It was on Amazon.
Oh, we're just gonna try to start it now. Oh, it's too big for you for that one. Then what time is it now?
About 9.
Yeah.
Nice and sweet.
Yeah, I know you guys want to go now. Tomorrow I have to go to work. Yeah. What does it say? I like it. So you're gonna go look for a certificate? You okay? You're gonna be there? Oh yeah. So this one and this one. C, A, B,
It's not regular, like every week you will have.
Oh, I think you have to do the checks first. There.
Yeah.
Just put that we start now, and then when she's ready here. Yeah. Eric, Eric, you wanna help us figure out how to? Eric, you wanna help us figure out how to do this?
What are you going to do?
Huh? We're gonna do that by himself. Oh, there's actually a thing at the back. If you're tired, you could.
Yeah.
Is there another
9.
knife?
Alfonso, what can you do?
I guess this one first. So you guys are okay, you only have 2 cups.
Yeah.
Later on when you guys pay, you can buy many cups.
Yeah.
That's okay with you.
But at least the spoon, there's a lot, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to this.
Yeah. How many chairs, Chuck?
I think it's 2.
I thought you only got one.
No, it's 2.
So we're preparing a spoon for them. So where is?
He's going to sit on this.
Oh,
Then he's going to sit on this.
but we need some.
It's going to need a base. I think it has
Yeah,
a
yeah.
base.
Yeah. Oh, is there, at least there's a picture. Yeah, it's like this, Mama. This one is it's not bad. I think you just have to. Yeah, it's 2, right?
So you guys eat your cook your food, or you buy it?
We cook it.
Cheaper to cook, no?
Yeah.
You know, whenever I find something like this, I'll stop doing
Yeah.
whatever I do. And now we
Just
just
doing that,
keep
yeah.
on doing it. Or just assembling it to assemble. At least you match it with the cupboard chart, the color.
I just got like the cheapest one.
Huh?
I just got the cheapest one.
Oh. So you have to follow whatever it says. Which one do you want? That's true. This is what it says. 1. Oh, we need something. What is that something?
You need.
To put from
Can I see a
here.
picture of it?
Yeah.
Where are we going to get this?
No, there is.
Should be.
You see that? There's this. Is it on top of this?
Yeah. Maybe you're right. I think this
You see the?
this comes off.
Yeah.
And then
This is on that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then this just goes on top. But it just needs the screws.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay,
me. The
okay.
screws too.
Good, yeah, thanks.
Well, what is this for?
Is to tighten it up. I think it's probably here to hold it here, right?
Oh, for the other one. So maybe.
Wait, give me.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, let me try to finish this one.
No, we just try to start it, and if you could finish it, then it's better. You
Usually there's something like this, like this.
So yeah. Keep that on.
Usually have something like this. There's
Okay.
two.
We just need some screws.
That
Should
should
be
be
Screw
there.
it from here.
Should be included now.
Screw it. How about in the box?
The screws?
Yeah.
It should be there. You take it away from you. That's strange. Very strange.
This is the one that we're looking for.
You see why this one goes? So
Yeah.
you have to put this on top. This whole thing goes.
I don't know how they put it. So this is the screw. There's even
Comes here.
what is that a major screw? Is this the screw to have to screw the rest?
Yeah.
Yes, this one.
No,
screw
but
it?
it's on its own.
Oh, I'm not sure.
But
Maybe one
right?
extra?
Maybe
Yeah, it's
an
4 and
extra.
4.
Oh, just in case.
No,
So what are we gonna do?
you have to use this.
Oh,
But attach it from here now.
it's gonna be broken already.
Oh my gosh.
You have to take it off to attach it before you.
Yeah, maybe attach it first and then put it on.
Oh, okay, got
I don't know
it.
if that's
Where's
I'm not sure what's this piece.
she was showing me.
I did
Where's
that.
one?
Oh,
I already put it
there.
there.
Yeah.
But that one has it already?
Yeah, I did that too.
Yeah,
Now
it is
you
just like
could,
that.
tomorrow you could eat now. Not standing. Took a while because they were busy, they were doing a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so
They
Yeah,
were-
we were in Ottawa again, and well, I just came back.
yeah. I knew that Chuck needs more than 24 hours. Maybe God can give him 36. Because he's always busy doing things.
You can find the screw. You thought, oh, so now you could finish that. I'll leave that to you. That's a guy's job. So Alfonso, what do you think? You like this place, Alfonso? You like this place?
I think you do.
Now that yeah, here maybe you can bring Alfonso's statue. His statue
Huh?
back home.
Huh?
His statue.
What?
Statue.
Oh.
You know that statue that he has in the garden?
Oh. I know. Do you have like, is the garbage chute near here?
Yeah, it's in the drawer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what about the washing machine?
Oh yeah, you still have the problem?
Yeah, we never tried again. You were asking if we turned the water on, but I wasn't sure where to get the
Chucky doesn't like the chips.
No, that I know already.
Maybe you can have a look. Bonjour.
Yeah,
Can you figure out what's the switch for the water?
but what was happening? It's not turning on?
There's no water that's coming in.
Oh, really?
There are only tanks and tanks, no water.
You can find the screw earlier. No, we found it.
Okay. We'll look at it. Probably because it's a new building, right? Maybe it's not on.
No, remember? Were you here when I was doing the final one and there's no water?
Oh.
And remember he complains about it? And the Tarion, we have to sign the Tarion.
And they never fixed it?
Well, apparently.
Yeah, that reminds me. Please, can you open this drawer, the top drawer?
What about?
Yeah, that is it.
Huh?
This. That's what I took a video of it to send to you.
Oh.
I don't know what it is. I came to see to meet it at the door.
Because they sent me a note that they're gonna do something, and then second floor is June 20. PL2 wire 207. You put your ingredients here? Hold on, it was. Yeah, so you don't have to stay. We don't have to stay here late. There you are, the second chair. Oh, that's what it is. That's what is the chair for, the stool.